In this video, we are going to demonstrate a crucial skill for N26 cardholders: how to enable the magnetic stripe on your N26 card. This can be particularly handy for international travel or places that still require swiping. Stick around to unlock this valuable feature. Before we dive into this important topic, let's make this video engaging. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any tips related to card usage in the comments section below. If you find this video informative, support us by subscribing to Media Magnet Guide, ringing that notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs up. Plus, don't miss out. If you don't have an N26 account yet, use my referral link in the description to create an account and start your banking journey. Let's begin with how to enable the magnetic stripe on your N26 card. Open the N26 app on your device and log in if you haven't already. In the app's main menu, navigate to the Card Settings or My Cards section. Here, you'll manage your N26 card features. Select the specific card you want to enable the magnetic stripe for. You'll see options to adjust the card settings. Look for the Magnetic Stripe option and toggle it on, and your N26 card's magnetic stripe is now enabled. You can use it for swiping transactions as needed. Keep in mind that this feature can be particularly useful when traveling abroad or in situations where chip and PIN technology might not be available. Enabling the magnetic stripe on your N26 card gives you added flexibility when it comes to payment options, especially in regions where swiping is more common. We're here to help, so please share your thoughts, questions, or any card-related tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. And remember, if you haven't joined N26 yet, you can use my referral link in the description to create your account and explore the world of hassle-free banking. Discover more tech tutorials and resources on mediamagnetguide.com. It's your source for enhancing your tech knowledge. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.